How to replace the thermal paste in a laptop. At the request of fans, today we're replacing the thermal paste on the HP Omen 15 2022. Let's reduce the CPU temperature by 24.4 degrees Celsius in 6 simple steps, easily improving your laptop's performance. Tutorials for replacing and upgrading thermal paste on laptops are available in the main tutorial collection on our homepage. You can also comment with your model if you need specific guidance. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Step 1. Get tools ready. Many tools are needed to replace the laptop's thermal paste. Apart from the thermal paste and thermal paste cleaning wipes, some gadgets can help you to disassemble the laptop much more easily. If you don't want to buy them separately, you can find our total solution combo in our profile. Step 2. Remove the laptop case and battery. Before you start disassembling the computer, it's highly recommended to wash your hands or wear gloves or an anti-static wristband to eliminate static electricity. With the laptop facing up, use a PH00 screwdriver to remove the 10 screws from the bottom cover. Note that the screws at the top left and right are longer, while the remaining 8 screws are shorter. It's advised to use a magnetic mat to avoid mixing or losing screws. Prepare the triangular pry tool and spudger. Open the laptop and insert the triangular pry tool at the bottom edge of the chassis, working your way around the perimeter to separate the cover. Once the bottom cover is removed, use the spudger to disconnect the power cable. Simply push the prying tool on both sides of the connector to remove it. After removing the power cable, remember to press and hold the power button for 15 seconds to discharge any residual power. Step 3. Remove the heatsink and old thermal paste. Use the spudger to disconnect the power cables from both cooling fans. Remove the 6 screws securing the cooling fans. Note that one screw on the left fan is beneath the cable. In numerical order, unscrew the 8 captive screws on the cooling module. Be aware of one additional screw at the bottom of the module. Use a high-quality screwdriver, such as the Kooling Monster Combo 01, and apply vertical pressure to prevent stripping the screws. Remove both cooling fans and slowly and gently lift the cooling module from both sides to detach it. To clean the old thermal paste more efficiently, we recommend using Kooling Monster Clean 01 thermal paste cleaning wipes. If you're worried about getting your hands dirty, you can use the disposable gloves included in our kit. Here you can see, the thermal paste on the processor has dried up after years of use, reducing its cooling efficiency. It needs timely replacement. Make sure to clean off the remaining thermal paste from the cooling module. Step 4. Clean the fan. We use an anti-static brush and compressed air to clean. Use the anti-static brush to remove dust from the fan blades and cooling module. When using compressed air, maintain a small distance to avoid spraying liquid. Compressed air helps clean small details and significantly improves dust removal efficiency. After cleaning, don't forget to clean the backplate as well. Step 5. Apply thermal paste. Here we used Kooling Monster Cold 01 High Performance Thermal Paste. Apply an appropriate amount of thermal paste on the surfaces of the CPU and GPU. After applying the thermal paste, you can use the spatula to evenly spread out the thermal paste and remove the excess. You can also use the pea-size method if you like. Step 6. Reassemble your laptop. Now, reassemble everything in the reverse order. Gently place the cooling module back. Tighten the screws on the cooling module in numerical order, first tightening them to about 70% and then fully tightening them to avoid too much pressure. Reinstall the screw at the bottom of the cooling module. Place both cooling fans back and secure them with their screws. Reconnect the power cables for both fans. Finally, reconnect the power cable to the motherboard. Close the laptop and secure the bottom cover, making sure the clips are locked. Press the power button to test if everything is working properly. Tighten all the screws on the bottom cover. Follow and subscribe to Kooling Monster and let us know which laptops to demo this process with next.